It certainly looks like an airbag, it feels like an airbag, and it probably even tastes like an airbag. But there's one big difference. This is a SumoSpring. For years, we'd listened to customers tell us about the problems they'd had with leaky, rupturing airbags. And we set about trying to eliminate that issue by capturing all the positive features of the product and eliminating that one negative, which is air under pressure is trying to do one thing, and that's get out. Did we manage to do that? Why don't you tell me? Take a look at this SumoSpring that we drilled an 1.5-inch hole right through the middle, installed it and drove off. I think we managed to do it. If you have any more questions about this, please pick up the phone, give us a call. As always, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.